All right, guys, just a quick video on a little bit about Google Analytics, and if you don't have it set up already, why you need to. Google Analytics is really the fundamental source for all of the truths that we look for in our business, right? So all of the analytics around where the traffic is coming from, how long are they staying for, what pages are they staying for, or are they staying on, pardon me, everything that you can think about, how many leads have I gotten, are all set up for us in Google Analytics right here. Okay. So we can come in and we can see, what channels are providing us the most traffic. Let me just load this up here. Is mostly paid search and a lot of social ads that we're doing. Some people are coming directly because we're sending emails. So knowing, and I click in a paid search, it'll tell me, let's see here, all the keywords that I'm targeting for my business. And the reason why this is so important is because if you don't set it up, you're missing out on months and months and maybe years of data. What you need to do to set this up, quite easy, okay? So what we need to do is click on the top here, click on, and this is, by the way, analytics.google.com. Click on the particular web a property that you've made for your website. And then on the bottom left, you'll see admin where I'm highlighting. Click on admin and then come on here and under tracking info, click tracking code. If your website is WordPress based or anything, you can probably download a Google Analytics key and that'll work that way. But in our case, we have to install this code into our website and into the header of our website. And we can go from there. Or you can come in and you can actually input inside of your website settings just this universal analytics code, this whole thing here, including the -1. So you can actually plug that into a lot of plugins on your website. For us, we have it on our back end of our Real Geeks website, and I'll show you guys here. Let me just show you here. If I go to website settings, edit website, if you go into your website settings page right here, you can usually find Google Analytics key, and this is where you plug that in. Okay, so you just come back to here and you just find that code, copy that over, and then you, where is it? You just paste it into there. Okay, easy enough. Have that set up and make sure it's running properly. Because I can come in now and some of the cool stuff that I can do is I can see all the channels, or if I wanted to see all the sources of traffic in the last bit, I can see mostly it's Google cost per click that we're doing, or Bing, or Facebook, or this pop-up, or certain people have ad blockers on, so you're not going to show us that. Anything I need to see, how many leads I've gotten. This is a cool one. I've set up a goal and I've programmed it into our site where it can track leads now. So I'm going to come in, select the lead that I have here, which is sign up form submitted. And I set it up on the 23rd and started tracking it since. And it'll tell us everything. It'll say how many particular goals we gotten completed for that particular sign up sheet, which is 34 in the last little bit. Which pages are they visiting? What sources have they come from? So I click in here. It says the highest source is Google cost per click. So pretty much anything that I need to know, I can come in here and say, okay, sign up form. So Google cost per click in the last day, or in the last, how long is this? In the last, I think, month, or less than a month, 3 weeks, has contributed to 24 of our leads. Okay. If you guys don't know which keywords you're hitting on that's getting you leads, if you guys don't know what traffic source is the one getting you leads, you guys are going to double down on the wrong ad campaigns. So make sure that everything is properly set up. And if you have any questions, let us know in the group and we can help you guys set that up, whether it be putting in your header or whatever. I know there's a lot of confusion around that kind of stuff. All right, Google Analytics, make sure you have it if you don't, and start looking at the data. Okay? All right, bye.